The Siemens D5000 is one of our most popular systems. We have these all over the world, and they are wonderfully reliable, precise, durable pieces of hardware. There are some quirks that do come up. We want to address one of those right now because we do get phone calls about this periodically. If someone is working on the machine and they manage to get the goniometer out of sync, that is to say, the digital logic of the system believes that the goniometer drives are at a particular angle, but they're actually not, then what will happen is an issue where the goniometer will fail to initialize itself. What that looks like is this. It will attempt to initialize. However, because it can't find its coarse reference position, it will just oscillate back and forth over and over and over again. The solution for that is we're going to press Shift Stop on our keypad, and then we're going to press Shift 2:3, and now we'll actually switch back and go to the status page, Shift Status, and we can move the tube stand drive through an angular range. The trick to this is it has to be moving at slow speed with the manual keypad. It must also be moving upward through its angular range in order for this to successfully reset its course position. If I start moving it up slowly, and press the arrow key multiple times, all of a sudden I felt a small bump, and I believe it reset itself right there. So if we press Shift Circle 1:1, there we go. We've initialized the system. That's really all it takes to reset the course position on a D5000 goniometer. This is very common, very easy to do. And hopefully this video will help sort out some of the issues of the communication of the button presses, the order, what has to be pressed at a given time. Hopefully this will make your life easier if you ever do encounter this issue. The most common causes are someone working on the system and they force one of the drives to move when it shouldn't move, or if the system is turned off and one of the drives gets moved to one position or another, whether by decoupling or just by pushing on a little too hard. This can happen. So hopefully, if it does happen, this video will make your life a lot easier getting yourself back on track. And if it doesn't, never hesitate to call KS Analytical Systems. That's exactly what we're here for, 940-453-8786. We're always happy to talk about anything XOD or XRF or just general chemistry related. So feel free to give us a call. Thanks.